Welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we're going to make a birthday cake surprise box. We have chosen to make a pink and purple birthday cake surprise box, but you can choose any colours you like. So we're going to take a long strip of coloured paper. We've chosen pink. What will you choose? And we're going to use our pencil and ruler to draw a line down the side of our piece of paper. We've got 2 strips of pink paper here, and we're going to very carefully, with our parents' help, cut some tiny little slits into our paper, like so. Can you see what I'm doing there? We're going to fold those slits up, like so, on both pieces of paper, and curl our paper round. Use some tape on the side of our paper. Carefully cut away the excess there. I'm going to put the tape on both our pieces of paper, like so. Very careful with those scissors. And this is double-sided tape, so you can just peel off the outer layer and then stick. How simple. I'm going to do the same again. Just going to roll that one around there. Peel off that outer layer. And just stick that down. Easy. Now we're taking another piece of paper, drawing round our little cup with our pencil. And then very carefully cut out that circle. With our parents' guidance, we're going to use our hot glue gun, or you can use PVA glue, to stick our circle onto the bottom of our cup. And do the same again with the other cup. Perfect. we've got a different colour. We've got a nice dark blue paper strip that we're just gonna fold down a little bit. Just very neatly fold down. Take our scissors with our guidance of our parents again and cut tiny little slits into our blue paper like so. I'm going to go all the way down the blue paper. And then we'll unfold the blue paper. Look at that! Take our hot glue gun or PVA glue and we're going to stick that paper onto the top of our cake box like so, and we're going to put it on the bottom like so. Now we've got some red paper, and using a little stick we're going to roll that paper into a little tube. And carefully, using the scissors, cut it down to size. And then with some nice sparkly paper and a little bit of glue, we're going to roll that sparkles all the way around our tube. A little bit more glue to finish it off, and gently snip away the excess. And we've made ourselves a nice little flame, yellow paper. With a touch of glue, we'll attach that flame to our candle. You can do that as many times as you need, however many candles you would like. We've done 3. With a little bit more glue. I'm gonna pop those candles on top of our cake box. Now we're going to take some sparkly silver paper, cut out some more fun decorations, strip around the middle of our cake box of the lovely sparkly silver paper. Stick that down. Look at that. Amazing. Last but not least, we cut out the words happy birthday and stick on the side. I can't wait to see what you guys send us. Now you have a try. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Katie, and Katie has drawn the cutest ice cream I have ever seen. Look at those adorable eyes. Well done, Katie. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!